Connecting a generator to your house in Australia is all about safety and efficiency. First, you need to ensure that you have a transfer switch installed. This is the vital component that makes it legal and safe to connect your generator to the home's system, preventing backfeeding into the grid, which can be incredibly dangerous. Imagine a line worker fixing a grid, unexpectedly receiving power from your generator. Yikes. To start, you'll want to pinpoint your wattage needs. Knowing your essential appliances and their wattages can save you a world of trouble. For example, fridges, lights, and heaters might sum up to 5,000 watts. Pro tip, prioritize appliances to smartly manage your power consumption during a blackout. Next, select a generator that meets your required wattage. It's like picking the right size pot for your stew. Oversize means unnecessary costs. Undersize means frustration. When the stew overflows, look for generators with an output at least 20% higher than your calculated needs to prevent overstressing the unit. After securing the perfect generator, let's focus on fuel types. Petrol, diesel, and LPG are common in Australia. Each has a pro and con. Diesel is efficient, but can be noisier. Petrol is easy to find, but needs careful storage. LPG burns cleaner, but requires a bit more setup. Now, don't forget about location. Generators must be outside to prevent carbon monoxide buildup, an invisible gas that, as insidious as it sounds, consider using a long extension cord or extra weatherproofing if placing it a distance from your house. Installing a transfer switch is a job for an electrician. Don't DIY this one. It's the tiny goblin of legality and safety demanding respect. The transfer switch works as the go-between for your generator and your home's electrical panel, making sure the juice flows where it's supposed to without frying everything in its path. And then let's connect it. Once everything is in place, a hefty quality power cord suitable for your generator's output should be connected from your generator to the transfer switch. Pro tip, avoid dragging long tangled cords across your garden. It's not a good look and can be a tripping hazard. Okay, you're set up. But wait, practicing operation before a blackout ensures you're the cool cucumber and a crispy cube salad of stress during a real emergency. Test everything, making sure to switch off and isolate the main power supply before flipping that transfer switch. See the lights flicker on. Success. Maintenance is another beast you'll need to tame. No one remembers exfoliating until 50. All right. Same with generators. They need care. Regularly change the oil, check fuel levels, and clean filters. It's not glamorous, but decisive in avoiding a dead generator when you most need it. In case petrol, diesel, or LPG run out during power outages, a backup plan like solar battery storage can be a lifesaver. Although the initial investment is high, these systems silently recharge during the day, ready to keep your essentials alive overnight in the event of a prolonged outage. Should any issues arise, having emergency numbers of technicians or the company you purchased the generator from handy is sound. Handling problems as they pop up means less downtime. And plus, anytime something conks out, knowing help is just a call away brings comfort. Lastly, use the generator wisely. It's tempting to throw a late night disco, but preserve power for necessities. I think overloading the generator not only risks burnout, but could void warranties. Stay cool and collected, managing power consumption like a spreadsheet fanatic, dedicated to their cause.